So in our previous video, we made this header section, which is this part, logo, and this part, top part. So let's discuss what we're gonna build. Let's plan our app. So after heading section, we're gonna show movie poster image in here. Then below that, we're gonna make a search bar, and below that, we're gonna show full grid layout with related movie thumbnail. We can show as many in here, but I'm gonna show like 3 4. Then there will be a loader button, and whenever you scroll there, it will be auto populated as in Facebook newsfeed. So this is a basic planning. And also, if you wanna make this kind of drawing, you can use the draw.io. This is a really useful flowchart tool I use most of my time, so you can use that too. So this is the basic plan we're gonna build. We're gonna make header, then movie poster image, then search bar, then we're gonna show related image here, movie thumbnail, then there will be a loader button.